I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in and watching the videos. I'm surprised that people are interested in it. I'd like to thank my former students who encouraged me to do it. So part of farming, you got to be able to problem solve, troubleshoot, things like that. I had a flat tire Saturday. Of course, everything's closed. The tire was shredded, so I had to replace the tire and the inner tube on it. To take the front tire off, I just used the front end loader to lift the tractor up to take the front end off, the tire off. I'll do the same to replace it. So that makes it easier changing the tires on these tractors with front end loaders. Okay, so that's how you replace the tire on a tractor.